A wildlife sanctuary has slammed thieves who stole from one of its charity shops. Knoxwood Wildlife Trust had its Egermont shop broken into last night. Callous thieves forced their way into the shop on Main Street and made off with cash from the till. They even tore down the shop's CCTV system and took the recording system in an attempt to cover up the crime. George Scott, of the Knoxwood Wildlife Trust, said, "I think it's scandalous that someone should break into a charity shop of all things. Someone broke into the back door, which is made of steel, so they used a great deal of force. The shop has been closed all day while the police investigate. We're now going to have to pay for all the damage." All money generated in the charity shop goes to support injured wildlife at Knoxwood, an animal rescue center and sanctuary based in Wigton. The charity is now calling for anyone who witnessed the incident to come forward. Posting on their Facebook page, they said, "Last night our Egermont charity shop was robbed. Anyone with any information about this, please can they pass it on to the police? Someone must have known what they were doing to climb into our gated yard and find the back door." Knoxwood rescues and rehabilitates sick, injured and orphaned British wildlife. The charity nurses wild animals and birds back to health and returns them to the wild. Those that cannot be returned to the wild are given permanent sanctuary with Knoxwood on their 5-acre site or at one of their supported reserves. Knoxwood relies on donations from the public to keep the sanctuary going. Anyone who wishes to donate should visit www.knoxwood.org. Police are investigating, and anyone with information should call officers on 101.